Hello, English Survey students. This is a short video that will show you how to use one of our very new resources here at Minnows. It's called MackinVIA, and it's a free digital library where you can access hundreds of ebooks online databases, as well as current events articles. Our school login is listed in the week 4 folder, and I will also be adding it to the left side menu in class. It's https://mnohs.mackinvia.com. And again, you can find that link in the week 4 folder and on the left side menu. As long as you are logged into your Microsoft 365 account, that means your Minnows email account and your OneDrive account, there is no login for this. So just make sure that you are all logged into Minnows, and this should open up for you immediately. If it doesn't, please let me know. Starting this week, you will be beginning your research project, which we'll be working on for the rest of this quarter. And this is going to be one of the places to go to get information. Specifically, in this video, we're going to talk about how to access the Points of View Reference Center, which is a great free online database. So first off, I'll show you how to find it. You can either go to the search bar here, you see by title, and we can type in Points of View Reference Center, and it takes you right there. You can also find it under the drop-down menu by Explore and go to Databases and find it there as well. But once you find it, make sure that you add it to your favorites. So by doing that, see, you have the little heart over on the side, and I just can click on it. Now every time that you go into MackinVIA, it will show up in your backpack. So I go to Backpack, Favorites, and there it is. And by the same token, if you find any other databases or ebooks that you're interested in, you can certainly add those to your backpack as well. But this is a good starting point here, is to add this Points of View Reference Center to your backpack, and then you'll have this available to use at any time. If you have questions, please let me know.